I'm Olivia and I come to Melbourne Actors Lab, and I'm 13, unlike everyone else here. It's definitely different because I'm so young. This is something completely out of my comfort zone, but it's honestly been the best thing that's ever happened to me. I'm learning things about myself that I didn't even know before, and I recommend it to everyone because you just get to know yourself on a whole nother level. I'm really in touch with my feelings now, and I'm seeing the world in a whole new way now. Being an actor, doing sensory and doing relaxation, it gets rid of stress, anything you're feeling, and along the way you just learn a lot about what you're feeling, and you just really get in touch with your emotions a lot. Just do it. Just do it. It'll be tough at first, and you will think about quitting because it's a process, and it's very intimidating at first, and you get a bit scared because you don't know anyone, and it's a very strong method. But I would say just keep with it, honestly, because it's great. You just learn so much from it in acting and yourself too, and yeah, just do it. Pretty much everything. I did a lot of read the script, talk to the camera, read the script, talk to the camera, and it wasn't really I wasn't the character, and I wasn't developing the character. I was just reading the lines and saying them to the camera, and it was all intellectual. But coming here now and learning the method and all that, I'm starting to develop a sense of being able to portray a character while saying these lines. And it's not just lines anymore, it's in the moment, and I could say something that's not even the lines anymore. It's just in the moment now. A lot. I could say a lot. Peter's honestly the most helpful teacher ever. If you have a problem, he has this weird way of not telling you how to fix it, but he gives you little tips, and you somehow solve it yourself just from these little tips that he gives you. And it's great that he helps you realize that you can do this without having a teacher there all the time, and you can trust yourself that you can do this too, which is great. This is truly a family. You feel everyone is awesome here. They make you feel welcome, and not to brag or anything, but this is probably one of the best schools in Melbourne or Australia. It's obviously a method that not a lot of people do here, and it's something completely different, but you're training for the best. And if you really, really want to make this your career, you're doing one of the best methods there is. Yeah.